big warm spiritual hug to each and every viewer of this video. Today I am going to talk about root chakra in detail. I have been getting a lot of requests from you all that I should talk more about root chakra. So today I am here with this topic of root chakra's importance and how what happens when it is imbalanced and what all happens when it is balanced and what all can be done, what all glands, body parts are associated and emotions associated with it, what are the affirmations that we can give to enhance and balance this root chakra. Well, my dear friends, my lovely viewers, this is our Mool chakra, as you can make out from the name Mooladhara chakra. This is our most instinctual of all, chakras. It is your survival center, most important and fundamental of all, and it is associated with the very first task we humans undertake after birth, and that is to determine, do I belong here? Do I belong to this place? And as I said, that this chakra is your survival center, a primal energy of survival, like fight or flight, or you can say, or your freeze response. They're all generated from root chakra, and that kind of energies are coming from the root chakra. This chakra, you can say, is a chakra of stability, security and your basic needs, or like हमारा जो रोटी कपड़ा मकान से related जो हमारे basic needs हैं, this is, as they are all associated with root chakra. Our emotional needs, like connecting with others and being fearless, they are all associated with root chakra. This is one of the most important chakras we have. It is our base, our life force. It gives us motivation. This chakra is that important. It helps us to develop our self-esteem, our sense of belonging, personal integrity. These are all coming from the root chakra. And definitely, if this chakra is not balanced, there is going to be a total opposite happening. Like as it helps us develop our self-esteem, if it is not balanced, we will be all the time feeling ourselves in low esteem. We will all the time be feeling, I don't belong to anyone, nobody is mine, this word is this, I am lonely, I am alone. That kind of sense of belonging to no one, this low feeling of this sort is all coming from unbalanced anything, the chakra which is not balanced. So the energies of a balanced root chakra actually propels us higher in our life. It helps us feel grounded and connected to Prithvi Tattva, कि हम बड़ा ठहरे और धैर्यवान रहते हैं अगर हमारा जो है रूट चक्रा जो है बैलेंस्ड है. It helps us in feeling secure in our actions and choices, and it gives us ability of self-worth, clear thinking, ability to prioritize our things in life, to set goals. even हमने आगे क्या करना है, हमने कैसे करना है, हमारा action plan क्या है, और setting goals in detail and everything, making blueprints about our goals and going ahead on that path. These sort of things are all coming from balanced root chakra. Our convictions, हमारा concentration level, passion, love, determination, excitement, thrill in life, they're all coming from balanced root chakra energy. It is the root chakra energy only, my friends, which allows us to keep going during our challenging times. सामने जितने भी मुसीबतों के पहाड़ आते हैं, लेकिन जिसका रूट चक्र बैलेंस्ड होता है वो आगे बढ़ते जाते हैं और सींग से दहाड़ते जाते हैं. So that balanced root chakra makes us courageous and full of resources all the time. And not only this root chakra's energies are connecting us with our spiritual ancestral energies. Any events that threatens our life, which threatens especially our survival, we get that energies to overcome that and take that challenge head on, is all coming from the root chakra's ancestral spiritual energies. Now in easy language I will make you understand. हमारे रूट चक्रा में हमारी ड्यूरिंग बर्थ ही देयर आर सम सीड्स विच आर प्लांटेड ड्यू टू आवर पास्ट लाइफ कर्मास. Some incidents, some happenings happen in our past life. Those fears, those traumas are planted as seeds in our root chakra, which we carry to the next birth. And when we are born, our root chakra is develops first, and there already these seeds are existing. अब होता क्या है, when something happens in life, in the current life, and we feel that same situation, immediately what happens, we get activated, those seeds get activated, and our question for survival comes up. Or you can say our root chakra is that place where all the past karmas are accumulated, or you can say registered or recorded as seeds. फिर जब लाइफ में कैसी सिचुएशन आती है तो वो एकदम से वो जर्मिनेट हो जाते हैं वो सीड्स, और हमारे को उस तरह से रिएक्ट करने के लिए बाधित करते हैं. और इफ आवर रूट चक्रा इज बैलेंस्ड, और it's not always balanced, there is nobody on this earth which is having all the chakras balanced all the time. Definitely we have to work on them. If you know the method, you work on your own. Otherwise healers are helping to balance all the 5 elements, or you can say, and their chakras. So root chakra is that important. This is how our karmas of current life, as well as our past lives, are all resting in the energy field of root chakra, like seeds. Every act, every thought of ours, intention we perform are like seeds we sow in the root chakra. And that all we did, that is all we did in our past life, and which we carry in our next life, in our root chakra. They are always kept there recorded. So root chakra is that important part of our energy field. And another thing to look upon is that the color of this chakra is red, lal. This is the most dense color. When we talk about other colors, red is the most dense one and very stimulating color. हम जब इसको देखते हैं तो एकदम से जैसे खतरे के लिए people use, it signify danger to us, mostly red color. And do you know, this is the first color we come in contact with when we take birth. Mother bleeds during her whole process of birth, giving birth, and child is coming in contact of this color first. This is that important. So not only this, our body parts, our glands are also associated with this chakra, which are very, very important. And if there is some kind of imbalance or malfunctioning in these parts, then that means the root chakra is not working properly and it needs to be balanced. And these body parts include, skeleton, bones, spinal column hole, rectum, intestines, muscles, adrenal glands, and arterial blood that carries oxygen and nutrients to our body and which is flowing through the chambers of heart. Our gonads, they're all associated with root chakra. There are various ways through which we charge this chakra, we balance it, we enhance it, we increase the energy of this chakra. And out of that, the most common ones I'll talk about right now because it will go otherwise very lengthy, this video. There are various quartz and crystals we can use to correct it, and there are affirmations we can give, there are certain meditations we can do, there are certain exercises, spiritual exercises which we can do, and there are various mantras which we can recite to enhance and increase the energy field of this chakra and make it more powerful. There are various quartz like hematite, red jasper, carnelian, smoky quartz, like I am right now also having, I'll show you. See, this is red jasper and this is carnelian. See, there is a difference. This is more opaque and this is bit transparency. This red jasper and carnelian. So many are there. Smoky is there. This is smoky. This is also smoky. These type of quartz crystals, this is a rock. This is a pure rock of smoky, and there are various bloodstone, sunstone. See these sunstones right now I'm having. Yeah, I can see. Yeah, see, sunstones. There are various quartz and crystals, which you can use to make this chakra more powerful. You can wear it, or you can do energy cleansing exercises with this, and so on. They are never ending exercises, and the wonderful thing is most powerful exercises also. And there are certain affirmations which I give to my Healies when they come to me. There are various affirmations like I am stable. When you are not feeling okay, you must immediately affirm with this sentence: I am stable, I am safe and secure, I am grounded, I am balanced, I am well rooted, I am home. If you are feeling out of sort and feel with the feeling of not belonging to anyone, nowhere, so you can say, I am home, I belong to this place, and this place belongs to me. I am centered, I am fearless. So these are small affirmations which you can always speak loudly, standing in front of mirror, like a mantra, and that will surely uplift you and make you balanced in that moment. So that's all today regarding root chakra. I'm sure you will like it, and do drop in your suggestions. If you all kind of suggestions are most welcome, I will be happy to take that. And do share your comments and your experiences related to certain exercises which you do after listening to my video. And till we meet again, take good care of yourself. I love you all, and you're always in my prayers, and I wish you lots of good luck and positivity. Before I finish off this video, I will say, stay positive, and yes, positive in all the situations life is throwing at you. Love you. Bye-bye.
Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive a notification whenever a new video is posted.